put this festival together. Yeah. We want you to know that every single time we do a Mysteryland, it's like a love story. It's like falling in love. You can't wait to meet the love on those days of the festival. And to be truly honest, this love is you dancing together. That's the gift you give us every single time. Thank you very much. Please enjoy your last show of Saturday and see you tomorrow.
And I dare not turn the pages, writing with automatic self-destruction. It's a blind thing, I could miss one bitter day. So I know I need this sweet sensation.
So close to you right now, it's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal. Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall.
Come on, sing it.
And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer, just one piece.
Many people will walk in and out of your life. Only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Friends, you and me, you brought another friend, and then there were three. We started our group, our circle of friends, and like that circle, there was no beginning or end. Yesterday's history, today is a gift, tomorrow is a mystery.